When it comes to driving in all kinds of weather, clear visibility is essential for your safety. Bosch DirectConnect conventional wiper blades provide a premium wiping performance, featuring a precision-cut, natural rubber wiping edge that removes even the smallest droplets, ensuring a clear view. Designed for easy, one-step installation, these wiper blades fit 90% of vehicle applications without requiring additional adapters. The vented metal frame reduces wind lift, keeping the blade in contact with the windshield at all speeds for consistent and reliable performance. Bosch DirectConnect fits the most popular wiper arm types, including 9x3 mm hook, 9x4 mm hook, 4, 8 mm, 3/16 inch, small pin, and 6, 35 mm, 1/4 inch, large pin. Not only are these wiper blades effective, but they also come with a rubber lip protector to ensure the integrity of the wiping edge before installation. Simply remove the protector before use for optimal performance. Upgrade your wipers to Bosch DirectConnect for a smoother, clearer drive. Want to improve your vehicle's safety? Click the link in the description to purchase Bosch DirectConnect wiper blades, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful product recommendations.